guys want to walk past before I let it go?
Sure, we thought it was a rattlesnake.
Is it a rattlesnake?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I can't believe you did.
I can't believe I did either.
That was crazy. Is it okay?
It's kind of cold out, so they're not moving fast.
Oh.
He probably came out to warm up right here, but felt like he was alive.
Really?
Yeah.
I
His head spin.
want to see it.
You want to see it? I don't really want to. I'm
Yeah,
gonna get a
yeah.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
Sorry, my adrenaline's pumping here.
I bet.
You ever seen a snake on the trail?
Not here.
Yeah. Kind of scared me. I wasn't sure. I kind of turned around and you guys were standing there.
Yeah. I was like, I'm pretty sure that's a rattlesnake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
I hope it's okay.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay.
I wonder if it got hit by a bike or something.
I know, I hope not.
I'm gonna wait till everybody passes
Yeah.
and let it go and get out of here.
Yeah.
Well, y'all have a good one.
Wow,
Watch out.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.